Welcome. Today we're diving into the world of voltmeters. These essential devices are used to measure electrical potential difference or voltage between 2 points in an electric circuit. Whether you're a student, a hobbyist, or a professional, understanding how a voltmeter works is crucial for anyone dealing with electricity. In this video, we'll explore what a voltmeter is, how it operates, and why it's such a vital tool in electronics. Let's start by looking at the basic concept of voltage and why measuring it accurately is important in everyday electrical work. Before we get into the voltmeter itself, let's clarify what voltage means. Voltage, also known as electric potential difference, is the force that pushes electric charges through a conductor. It's measured in volts, and it's a fundamental concept in understanding how electricity flows. Think of voltage as the pressure that moves water through a pipe. Without it, there's no flow. Measuring voltage helps us ensure that circuits are working safely and efficiently, and that devices receive the correct amount of power. Voltmeter is designed specifically to measure the voltage between 2 points in a circuit. It's an indispensable tool for electricians and engineers, allowing them to diagnose problems, check battery levels, and verify circuit performance. By connecting a voltmeter across the component or section of the circuit you want to test, you can instantly see the voltage present. This information is key for troubleshooting and ensuring everything operates within safe limits. Voltmeters come in two main types: analog and digital. Analog voltmeters use a moving needle to indicate voltage on a scale, while digital voltmeters display the value on an electronic screen. Digital models are more common today due to their accuracy and ease of reading, but analog types are still used in certain applications. Both types serve the same purpose, but the choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. So how does a voltmeter actually work? Inside, it contains a high-resistance component that allows only a tiny current to flow through it. When connected across 2 points in a circuit, the voltmeter measures the potential difference without significantly affecting the circuit itself. This high resistance is crucial. It ensures the voltmeter doesn't draw too much current, which could alter the voltage you're trying to measure. To use a voltmeter, you connect its probes across the 2 points where you want to measure voltage. This is called connecting in parallel. It's important to remember that a voltmeter should never be connected in series, as that could damage the device or the circuit. Always double-check your connections before taking a measurement to ensure safety and accuracy. Typical voltmeter consists of a display, analog or digital, two probes, red and black, a selector switch for range, and an internal circuit with high resistance. The red probe is usually connected to the positive side and the black to the negative. The selector switch allows you to choose the appropriate voltage range for your measurement, ensuring you get an accurate reading without damaging the meter. Safety is paramount when using a voltmeter. Always make sure the device is rated for the voltage you're measuring. Never touch the metal parts of the probes while testing, and avoid measuring voltage in wet or damp conditions. If you're unsure about the circuit, consult a professional or refer to the user manual. Proper handling of the voltmeter protects both you and your equipment. Measure DC voltage. Set your voltmeter to the DC range. Connect the red probe to the positive terminal and the black probe to the negative terminal of the power source or circuit. The display will show the voltage present. This is commonly done with batteries, power supplies, and electronic circuits. Always start with the highest range if you're unsure of the voltage level. For AC voltage, switch your voltmeter to the AC range. Connect the probes to the 2 points where you want to measure the voltage, such as wall outlets or AC circuits. The voltmeter will display the root mean square RMS value of the AC voltage. Be extra cautious when measuring AC, as these voltages can be dangerous. Always use insulated probes and keep your hands clear of live wires. Most voltmeters allow you to select a voltage range. If you select too low a range, the meter might overload or display an error. If you select too high, the reading may lack precision. Always start with the highest range and work your way down to get the most accurate measurement without risking damage to the voltmeter. Voltmeters are used in a wide range of applications. Electricians use them to check outlets and wiring, engineers use them in circuit design, and hobbyists use them for DIY electronics projects. They're also essential in automotive work, battery testing, and troubleshooting household appliances. Wherever there's electricity, a voltmeter is likely nearby. When a circuit isn't working as expected, a voltmeter helps pinpoint the problem. By measuring voltage at different points, you can identify where power is lost or where a component might have failed. This step-by-step process saves time and prevents unnecessary replacements. It's a fundamental skill for anyone working with electronics. A voltmeter is perfect for testing batteries. Simply set the meter to the correct DC range, connect the probes to the battery terminals, and read the voltage. This tells you if the battery is fully charged, needs recharging, or should be replaced. It's a quick and easy way to check the health of batteries in flashlights, remotes, and other devices. You can use a voltmeter to check if a wall outlet is working properly. Set the meter to the AC range, insert the probes into the outlet slots, and read the voltage. This helps you confirm if the outlet is delivering the correct voltage, which is important for the safety of your appliances and devices. In automotive work, voltmeters are used to test car batteries, alternators, and wiring. By measuring voltage at various points, mechanics can diagnose electrical issues, check charging systems, and ensure everything is functioning properly. It's a vital tool for maintaining modern vehicles, which rely heavily on electrical systems. If you enjoy building your own electronic gadgets, a voltmeter is a must-have. It helps you verify circuit connections, measure supply voltages, and troubleshoot problems as you build. Whether you're working on a simple LED project or a complex microcontroller circuit, a voltmeter ensures your project runs smoothly. Household appliances sometimes stop working due to electrical issues. With a voltmeter, you can check if power is reaching the appliance, test switches, and verify wiring. This helps you determine if the problem is electrical or mechanical, saving time and money on repairs. In industrial settings, voltmeters are used to monitor and maintain large electrical systems. Technicians use them to check control panels, motors, and power supplies, ensuring everything operates within safe voltage limits. Regular voltage checks help prevent equipment failures and maintain productivity. Voltmeters are widely used in educational settings to teach students about electricity and circuits. By measuring voltage in simple experiments, students gain hands-on experience and a deeper understanding of electrical concepts. It's a practical way to bring theory to life in the classroom. Reading a voltmeter is straightforward. For analog meters, observe where the needle points on the scale. For digital meters, simply read the number displayed. Make sure you're looking at the correct scale or range and always interpret the reading in the correct units, volts, V. Accuracy is an important factor in voltmeters. Digital meters are generally more accurate than analog ones, but both have a specified margin of error. Always check the specifications of your voltmeter to know its accuracy. For critical measurements, use a meter with a high accuracy rating. Over time, voltmeters can drift out of calibration, leading to inaccurate readings. Regular calibration ensures your meter remains reliable. This process involves comparing the voltmeter's readings to a known standard and adjusting as necessary. Many professional environments require periodic calibration for all measuring instruments. Proper maintenance extends the life of your voltmeter. Store it in a dry, dust-free place, replace batteries as needed, and inspect the probes for damage. Avoid dropping the meter or exposing it to extreme temperatures. With good care, your voltmeter will provide accurate readings for years. Some common mistakes when using a voltmeter include connecting it in series, using the wrong range, or measuring live circuits without proper safety precautions. Always double-check your setup before taking a measurement and never exceed the voltage rating of your meter. There are situations where a voltmeter should not be used, such as measuring current directly or testing circuits beyond the meter's voltage rating. Using a voltmeter incorrectly can damage the device or cause injury. Always use the right tool for the job and consult the manual if you're unsure. Many modern voltmeters are actually digital multimeters, which can measure voltage, current, and resistance. These versatile tools are popular because they combine several functions in one device. When using a multimeter, always select the correct mode and range for your measurement. While analog voltmeters are useful, they have some limitations. They can be harder to read, less accurate, and more susceptible to mechanical wear. However, they're still valuable for observing trends or changes in voltage over time, especially in educational or demonstration settings. Digital voltmeters offer several advantages. They're easy to read, highly accurate, and often include extra features like data hold or backlighting. These benefits make digital meters the preferred choice for most users, from beginners to professionals. Impedance is the resistance to the flow of alternating current in a circuit. Voltmeters are designed with high input impedance to minimize their impact on the circuit being measured. This ensures accurate voltage readings without drawing significant current from the circuit. Many digital voltmeters have an auto-ranging feature which automatically selects the best range for your measurement. This makes the device easier to use and reduces the risk of errors. However, manual range selection is still available for users who prefer more control. Modern digital voltmeters often include features like backlighting for low light conditions and data hold to freeze the displayed value. These features enhance usability, especially when working in dimly lit areas or when you need to record a measurement. While not a voltage measurement, many voltmeters and multimeters include a continuity test function. This checks if there's a complete path for current to flow, which is useful for finding broken wires or faulty connections. The meter beeps if continuity is present, making troubleshooting easier. Test leads or probes are essential accessories for voltmeters. Always inspect them for damage before use and replace them if the insulation is worn or the metal tips are bent. Good quality leads ensure accurate and safe measurements every time. After use, store your voltmeter in a protective case to prevent dust, moisture, and physical damage. Remove the batteries if you won't be using it for a long time. Proper storage keeps your meter ready for the next job and extends its lifespan. Extreme temperatures, humidity, and dust can affect the performance of your voltmeter. Always use and store the device within the recommended environmental conditions specified by the manufacturer. This ensures accurate readings and prevents premature failure. Digital voltmeters require batteries to operate. When the display dims or the device won't turn on, it's time to replace the batteries. Always use the recommended battery type and dispose of old batteries properly to protect the environment. Voltage drop occurs when electrical energy is lost as current flows through a conductor. Measuring voltage drop across components helps identify resistance or faults in a circuit. Keeping voltage drop within acceptable limits is important for efficient operation. Some applications require measuring very small voltages, such as in sensitive electronic circuits. Use a voltmeter with a suitable low voltage range and high accuracy. Shield the circuit from electrical noise to get the most precise readings possible. When measuring high voltages, always use a voltmeter rated for the voltage level. Wear appropriate safety gear and follow all safety procedures. High voltage measurements are common in industrial and utility settings, and safety cannot be overemphasized. There are various accessories for voltmeters, such as alligator clips, magnetic probes, and carrying cases. These make measurements easier, safer, and more convenient, especially in challenging environments or when you need hands-free operation. Every voltmeter comes with a user manual. Reading it helps you understand the specific features, limitations, and safety instructions for your device. Don't skip this step, it ensures you get the most out of your voltmeter and use it safely. Some advanced voltmeters include features like Bluetooth connectivity, data logging, and computer interfaces. These allow you to record and analyze voltage measurements over time, making them ideal for research and professional applications. In selecting a voltmeter, consider your needs, accuracy, range, durability, and extra features. For basic tasks, a simple digital voltmeter may suffice. For advanced work, look for models with more features and higher precision. Always buy from reputable brands to ensure quality and safety. Sum up, voltmeters are essential tools for anyone working with electricity. They help you measure voltage accurately, troubleshoot problems, and ensure safety in electrical systems. By understanding how to use and care for your voltmeter, you'll be well equipped to handle a wide range of electrical tasks. Thanks for watching, and remember, safety first when working with electricity.